Hello, my name is Randy. I'm the creator of RestoredLifeAfter.com. I'm starting a new series called The Signal. There's a lot of noise in this world right now, a lot of negativity, a lot of division, a lot of darkness. People are truly suffering, whether it's depression, addiction, or loss of life. What I want to focus on are things that are going to uplift us and build us. Just to let you know, and I'm an imperfect person. I'm somebody that God has had plenty of grace and mercy on and has lifted me up. And I want to share some of the things that have helped me and people that I know in my life. And each week we're going to focus on things that will build you, things that will get you from the darkness to the light. So join me each week, and if you have any suggestions or any questions, please contact me at contact@restoredlifeafter.com. I answer every email. If you need somebody to pray for you, I'd be glad to. Thank you, and thank you for visiting RestoredLifeAfter.com. We'll see you soon. Thank you.